Welcome back to the channel, guys. So there's a lot of question lately regarding the type of lift kit I have on my Tacoma. So I figure I'll do a quick video highlighting the lift kit I have on my 2017 Tacoma TRD Sport, and then I'll go a little bit on detail of how much it costs, how long I have it, and my overall impression just with this lift kit. I have another video highlighting all the mods I've done to the Tacoma, but this one specifically is just going to be just for the lift kit and how I like them, and then all that related to that lift kit. So with that being said, let's get into the video. So in order to lift your Tacoma on the Bilstein 5100, there's two ways that you can do the lift kit. So you can buy just the shock, and then you can use your oil spring, your coil spring, and then with that way you have to put the clip on the upper or lower or the middle, depending on what type of how much lift you want to do in order to get the desirable lift height. So you can go that route with the stock OEM spring, or you can buy a new spring, and so that's the route that I went with the 2888, I believe, Man Emu shocks, coil spring I mean. So with that I was able to get about 2 inches in the front without having to put the clip all the way in the bottom of the Bilstein shocks. So those are the two ways that you can get the lift with the Bilstein 5100. You can use the old OEM spring, or you can buy a new one, which is the route I went, because I do have a steel bumper, and so I need something a little bit bigger, a little stronger in order to compensate for that weight in the front. So with this lift kit, I also got the new upper control arm, because anytime you go above about 2 inches of lift, you're changing the geometry of the truck from a stock form. So in order to compensate for right alignment and also stronger, especially when you have a bumper, just a stronger upper control arm, I went with an aftermarket one. As you can see, it's cambered uniball upper control arm. I think this is one of the older ones. But anyway, yeah, it does help with the articulation a little bit, and also they are definitely stronger compared to the OEM one. So I highly recommend, if you plan to have a winch or a metal bumper in the front, just go with the stronger coil 2888 Man Emu, and might as well get a new upper control arm. So in order to lift the back of the truck, you can't really lift the back of the Tacoma with just a shock. You need a new leaf pack, or you need to add a leaf. So in order to give you the desirable lift that you want in the back, you need to do an add a leaf, which is just add an extra leaf to the leaf pack that's already existing. Or like myself, I opt for just a completely brand new leaf pack. So I go with the Man Emu heavy duty leaf pack, because as you know, I do use my truck for work, so I do have about 400 to 500 pounds of different ladders and different work materials I have that I carry around. And obviously when I go camping, overlanding, off-roading, you know, I do carry a lot more gears, camping gears and stuff. So in order to compensate for all that weight, I just opted for a new lead pack, and then that would give me about 2.5 to 3 inches of lift in the back. So that is the only way you're able to get a lift in the back, is to add a leaf to the leaf pack that's existing, or just go all together get a new leaf pack. So my complete lift kit cost me roughly around $1,000 about 2.5 years ago. Now I normally try to buy when there's a discount, so I bought it during Black Friday when they had a deal. I was able to get the deal for the complete lift kit. However, right now the whole lift kit, including the coil and also the leaf pack, costs roughly around $1,500, including the assembly. I highly recommend waiting for a good opportunity to get the lift kit if you want to save some money, especially perhaps maybe during the holiday season or Black Friday deal. So I have this lift kit for almost 3 years now, and I put almost 60,000 miles on it. And I've taken this Tacoma everywhere. We have gone to many different terrains on it, from fire road to snow condition to really hot desert-like condition, and we've done many great road trip with it. I've taken it up the 395s all the way up to Oregon, all the way down to the coast of California. And also last year we did an epic Southwest adventures where we traveled through Arizona, up New Mexico, the tip of Colorado, back down, and we've seen so many different terrains and different weathers, snow, rain, mud. So what I'm trying to say is that this lift kit has gone through many different terrain, different condition, different fire roads, different off-roading trail. So definitely it's been tested, and it's not just been on the road, just everyday driver, but it's definitely been through a lot of the condition that I've taken it through. So far it's served me really well, and I hope that I continue to give me a lot more great memories. So my overall impression of this lift kit is that it's a great overall budget friendly lift kit. So compared to my stock suspension, when I take the new lift kit off-roading for the first time, it takes different type of hits, different type of terrain much better than the stock suspension. So when I go over a rocky section, I can feel my back when it was with the stock suspension, but with the Bilstein 5100, I feel like it takes those type of hit way better. And overall, the ride quality is much more stiff, which is great for what I do, since I have a lot of weight in the back most of the time. So on off-roading is great, but also on-roading, the ride quality is way better than it was with the stock suspension. But after over 50,000 miles and almost 3 years, I can feel it depreciate a little bit when it comes to some of the ride quality. I can feel that it's taking some of those hit a little bit not as good as when it was brand new, and that's typical. It's it's almost 3 years already, and so overall, after 2.5 years, almost 3 years now, I notice a difference in the ride quality. And also I've noticed a few squeak here and there, but it doesn't really bother me too much. But still, I feel like compared to the stock suspension, this suspension is great for the budget-friendly lift kit that you're gonna get. Now, is it gonna be like a King's, Fox, or Icon? Of course not, because those are really meant for more off-roading worthy, right? So it takes those type of hit better when you go faster. Those types of suspension are made for that kind of condition. But the Bilstein 5100, for what I do, light off-roading and overall just a great everyday daily driver, this lift kit is overall a great budget-friendly kit. Alright guys, so for my final thought, this lift kit is that it's a great overall budget-friendly lift kit. So if you're looking for a lift kit that is I'll give you about 2 to 3 inches, and if you plan to do light off-roading, not something too crazy, overlanding, then this lift kit might be the one for you. But if you're looking to do some hardcore off-roading, rock crawling, or going really fast in dry creek, or different type of terrain going fast, then maybe King, Fox, or Icon with a reservoir might be the lift kit that you're looking for. But if you want something that just light and overall a nice stand, this one is the one for you. I wish I can give you more feedback after 2.5 years, almost 3 years, and 50 to almost 60,000 miles, that there's other stuff to look out for, but unfortunately there isn't. So that's what I love about this lift kit. It served me overall really well for the years and the miles I have put in it. And if you're looking for a lift kit like this, I'll put it on description below where you can get one. And if you have any other question regarding my Tacoma, any type of other mods that you're looking for, just let me know in the comment section below, or any question regarding the lift kit, also put in the comment below, so I'll answer all the questions as much as I can. So with that being said, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.